Nyanya? Yes. ADC.
ADC.
Arise.
ADC.
Arise.
Please. ADC.
Arise.
Please, we apologize for our mix-up today. There's emergency meetings that our candidate was called, and that mixed up everything. So we apologize. That's why we came in here very late. We started early enough that we are not supposed to have been. That we're not supposed to be that late. So please, we are very, very, very sorry. All we are begging is that there's election on Saturday. Please come out and vote for ADC. It is a party we want to start. We used to start changing Nigeria. We've had enough. We want our children to be in school. We want to have hospitals in our community. We want to pull people out of poverty. We want to build a society where a child of nobody can be somebody without knowing anything. We want a show. Look at here. Saturday they will come and share you money. The money they are sharing is the money they've stolen. For you to give them authority to go and steal more. We want to stop it because we want public money to be used for public good. That is what we want to do. Please help us vote Dr. Mo. He will change AMAC. The former Senator for Youth, Minister for Youth is here. We are assuring you that we will ensure that he will do the right thing. Thank you for understanding.
ADC. Arise. A, D, and C. The challenge we have here is just one thing: to go out on Saturday and ensure that we lay the solid foundation of change in Nigeria. That can only happen by electing this young man as the chairman of AMAC. Once we win AMAC, we have conquered Nigeria. Let us do justice to ourselves. No selling of votes, no collection of noodles, no slippers, no wrappers. The only thing is to vote Dr. Mo. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We want to a new Nigeria.
A new Nigeria is possible. A new Nigeria is possible. A new Nigeria is possible.
This is ADC. ADC. A new Nigeria is possible. ADC. A new Nigeria is possible. ADC. A new Nigeria is possible.
Make the note of saying APC.
We are here. We are here. APC. We are here. We are here.
Opika.
We are here. We are here. The time has come for you to vote right. Vote the right person. Vote the right party. It is ADC. ADC. It is ADC. It is ADC.
Mr. Peter B is with us here. Yes. Karu market. Now here we go now. ADC. Oh, ADC. Where did they shake hands? We want a new Nigeria. My country people. We want Nigeria that works. My country people. We want a Nigeria where the son of nobody will become somebody. And we can do everything. When the son of nobody will become ADC. We are here now. Now our papa be this Now our papa be this
for welcoming us. Please remember that Saturday is the election day. It is election day for AMAC Council, Chairmanship and Councillors. Please go out and vote for African Democratic Congress. The sign of ADC is handshake. The sign of ADC is handshake because we want unity across the country. We now want the country to be united. That is why we're begging you, please, it is a party we want to start to use to build a new Nigeria that is possible. We want our children in schools. We want our children to be able to go to hospital when they are sick. Yes, yes. Today, if you are sick, there's no hospital for you to go. Yet Nigeria say it has universal free education when there's no school. Nigeria says it has universal free primary health care when there's no hospital. We want to fix all that. We want to ensure that we put people out of poverty. That is what we want to do. So please go and vote for us. So we can start creating that new Nigeria where a child of nobody can be somebody without knowing anybody. That is what we want. We want to stop people from stealing public money. So we can use it to start working for the people. Public money must be used for public good. Please, help us go out on Saturday, come out, vote for ADC. A vote for ADC is vote for a beginning of change of Nigeria. Yes, you are voting for me as well. Yes. That's why I'm here. Yes, sir. If you vote for Dr. Moses, you are voting for me. Yes, sir. So you are voting for that party in which I'm going to use to contest for office as the president.
Yes. A new Nigeria is possible. A new Nigeria. A new AMAC. Red vote right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The wash back. The wash back.
The man EFCC cannot catch. Nigeria cannot catch you. Yes, sir. That is it. If Nigeria is the man of the people. Yes, sir. You know happy to be. Next time I'm happy to be my mouth. Please vote for ADC. This Saturday. Go vote. This Saturday. Go and vote. Go and vote. This Saturday. Go and vote. This Saturday. They lied to us, sir. The time has come. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. A new Nigeria. Mr. Tobi, I don't know. I don't know.
Let's go straight.
We are not it's possible. Please, if you love Mr. Tobi, you want Nigeria to be good. Please, what you will do on Saturday, go and vote. Go and vote. Go and vote. And vote ADC.
ADC. ADC. Yes. Yes.
It is ADC. It is ADC.
It is ADC. It is ADC.
You want to secure your
We want to secure you. Mr. Peter, ADC.
We will push away bad government. We will push away bad Yes, Mr. Peter B, the man of integrity, is with us in the ADC. Our party.
Who they worry this guy? I'm not the guy this thing now. Sorry.
No, no, go, Nyanya. Pass like this.
Yes, sir. It is ADC. ADC. It is ADC. 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 P2B. P2B. ADC. I'll give you $1.
Mike.
ADC.
All right.
ADC. Thank you, Chairman. Chairman Kowa Plaza. Kowa. Yeah, Power. Okay. Chairman Power Plaza and your team, we thank you sincerely for the warm welcome. I'm sure ordinarily you want us to go inside, but we don't want to disrupt the market. We just want to plead with you that we have election for AMAC Council on Saturday. And we are pleading with you to help us in this journey that is for building a new Nigeria that is possible. We want a Nigeria where people should stop stealing public money.
Yes, sir.
So public money can be used for public good.
Yes.
It is this money that is stealing that is making it impossible for us to have security, for us to have water, for us to have school, for us to have hospital, for us to be a country with the highest number of poor people. That's what we want to stop. We want our children to be in school because we want schools to function. We want hospitals so that every Nigerian that is sick can go to hospital, especially women and children who are dying today. We want to ensure that people are being put out of poverty to reduce criminality. We want a society where our school children can go to school, come out and get a job, where a child of nobody can be somebody without knowing anybody. Yes, it is very important. Yes, sir. That's the one we are working hard for. Yes, sir. And we want you to support us. Oh, yes, sir. That journey starts on Saturday with ADC. Yes, sir. That is the party all of us, myself that is aspiring to be the president of this country. That is the party that, and I assure you of my commitment. We want to build a united, secure country. Yes. Where Sokoto will be safe, yes, Plateau will be safe, yes, Anambra will be safe, yes, Ondo will be safe. Yes, we don't want them to be hearing, oh, there's a problem in Kogi, there's a problem in Kwara. We want all that to end. And it starts, and I'm going around not sending people to see things for myself. I know what you're going through now. Look at the road. When you go down, they say everywhere in our capital territory is okay. Is this not capital territory? Thank you. That's why we want to start fixing it. So please support ADC. ADC. We use our rights because we are not on ground. We want. Thank you. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you. God bless you.